Order filled. Stop filled.
And I'm kind of getting something like that. Let's try a fib on here. I don't know about this, but I might take a little short here. 35 point stop. If we get up to this 50%. We're not really sweeping the high of the hour, but it's up there quite a bit. So I'll probably hit that with like 2 cons. I don't know what that price level is though. I guess I'll do.
Order submitted.
We're still moving like crazy. It's wild.
Thank you.
What account is that? Am I using on that? Sim?
Order canceled.
Yeah, these are $15 accounts. I should just be trading them. I missed that short. Prices in no man's land. How do I set?
Order filled.
Oh gosh. I'm not supposed to be in this.
Order filled.
I'm gonna try to take a couple trades on this. Oh crap! Why'd I close that? I'm gonna try to take a couple trades on this evaluation because it's almost up. Oh wait, I'm entering again.
Order filled. Order filled.
2 cons this time. Let's run it up, baby. Let's take advantage of this price action. I'm done with this eval. I'm done with this eval. I ain't never gonna come back. William Montgomery. Okay, it might take us out here. Let's give it a couple ticks of room here. Oh, there's another Hundy. Almost lost it. Almost lost another Hundy there. I am kind of... I want to be short, but... so that's why I'm long. I want to be short, so I'm mad, so I'm longing. I just want to long it like up to probably... What level is this? My screen's too low. 20, yeah. I mean, if we can take it up here, that'd be great. That's my real strategy, but
Order canceled.
There's 100. It would be pretty bearish if that flipped to the downside. At least I'm scalping, so I'm taking these trades pretty quick. I think that trailing might have hit me a little bit there, but... And we hit the 15-minute open over here. That's kind of a little more of what that strategy was doing.
Stop filled.
Oh yeah, I should have taken the whole trade up there. Would have put me up a little bit in this eval. But really, I guess we'll see. Maybe I should have held it to open. But like I said, I wish I was short from up here. I was priced. I just didn't catch my level. I was trying to short right here. So yeah, that would have been nice right here. But that might be, I don't know, unless this longs out of this region. I might take a long out of this region again. I missed it. Watch it go up now.
Order filled.
Tight stop on here. Oh, that's done. That's done for.
Stop filled.
I just want to go up a little higher. Oh. Well, I'm back where I was after that amazing trade. It's going to chop around here and then go... Oh. Probably down, but... We're not even sweeping. We're just ranging this whole hour. So, look at me trading in this range. Like an idiot. But every dollar that... Or every $100 that this account is down is actually more like a few pennies for me. So... Ah, damn. Nice head and shoulder here. We just keep shorting off the previous candle, really. The previous pivot. So that's why I'm looking for kind of up here. So let's short that. Does that kind of make sense? The only problem is we're ranging so hard. I don't know if we'll make it up that high. And if we do, we might go less through it. Oh gosh. Oh, man.
You're on YouTube watching chill lo-fi hip-hop. But did you know that there's a YouTube music app where you can listen to
No, I don't care actually.
whatever mood you're
Okay, there's a lower sweep. A little bit of a lower sweep. I don't know what to do here. My strategy is to wait, so. But let's keep trading these bearish rejections. Let's try to get something out of this. There's the start of the hour. Can we push up? Go, 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 go.
Order filled. Order filled.
Wow, I should have taken that. I shouldn't short like this. I got filled way up high. I don't know if you guys saw that. This is not very good action for... Oh, why didn't I close that? What am I doing? This is stressing me out, guys. This is really hectic.
Order canceled.
And I'm going to give it all back. See, this is what everyone's doing. I don't know. Is that just liquidity grab, guys? I think it's liquidity. Wow, look at them take that wick, grab the liquidity. We're going back down. I might close this out. It is an eval though. I want to hold. I want to hold. Oh God, not the fudge. You see that push down? And now I don't know. I think I take. I don't want to risk this
Target
whole
filled.
account on this one trade. Yep. I'm just going to take, even though I wanted to be short from up there. It's too crazy for me to be in that position. I got all my money back for the day right there. All my money back trading between those two zones, baby. Look at that. Oh, wow. Let's go. I wanted to hold a runner on that, but it's just too much for me. I can't. I'm not in... I can't. I'd be up... I would have passed this evaluation, literally. But I'm not gambling, guys. I'm not going to gamble. Wow, those fills were nasty. Okay, I'm gonna show real quick how price plays off of some of these pivot high candles. So let me put in the first one we have here is actually up here that we don't end up touching. Oh gosh. Okay, look how price plays off these pivot highs. So we put in this pivot high right here. Price comes all the way down and retraces back up into it, about to the 50% taken off. Now, since the price action is so crazy today, that's still risking about $150 on one MNQ. But we go here to the next one. And we save that next pivot candle, draw it out, and here we go. Another break below and tap back into this single candle zone. And this one actually extends out. We get some crazy price action over here that I was just trading. We get kind of the sweep of these lows here, and then price fakes out to the upside. I'm short from right here. And I actually was looking at a more slimmed down spot right here, which is why my entries are here. I decided to give a little bit of room because of the volatile price action for my stop loss. So I ended up taking it down a little bit. Then took a little bit more off. Or actually, I got out of half of my position here, I believe, because of just, wow, the volatility. So that was a fun trade. How can I make these more visible? Dude. I don't know. I usually use Chart Trader. What am I supposed to do? I'm not looking at it. Oh my gosh, minus 5 points already. God, this shit's crazy. I guess I should do... Maybe this is better? I don't know, dude. Bullinox. I'm using Bullinox. Should I hop in on this trend? What trend am I talking about? this candlestick trend here. It's about 50-point stop. Yeah, dude, I usually use chart trader like this, but it's kind of ugly. I don't know. Wow, I was gonna long there, my master. Dang it. That's stinky. Stinky, stinky, stinky. Stinky, stinky, stinky. I wanted to long there. Maybe I'll get another short. Let's see. If we break above, I'm going to show you what's going on here. I don't know. I made my money back today, so I'm hesitant to do any more trading. My 250 sim dollars or eval dollars. If we flip this and then flip it back, I might go for a short. And then at that point, we would also be at the, what am I saying? We would also be sweeping the previous hour's high at that point.
Hey, it's Lisa. Check out my new song, F Up the
Lisa,
World,
get the
on
heck out of here,
YouTube
Lisa.
and YouTube Shorts.
But I'm just here doing my thing. Everyone wants to see like plus $20,000 every day, but they're freaking idiots. None of you guys know how to make that kind of money. Maybe I do need to do chart trader. No, my short. Yeah, I am, Marty. I'm just, it's been evolving. It's been evolving. This market is pretty crazy to be, I've got some good setups with it, but it's, my 30-second chart is all messed up too on Ninja for some reason. It's missing a bunch of data, so. But yep, still using that. Wow, we're actually pushing up past that. So weird. Yeah, I am doing my SCE strat. That's what These are all single candle entry boxes. I don't know where my ones from yesterday went. Wow, look at this liquidity grab. I wonder if I can get a...
Order submitted.
Here we formed a 30-second
Order
above.
filled.
I don't want to risk too much on this. But I feel like it's targeting these candles, so... Damn it. Be disciplined. Come on. Come on. Be disciplined. Tap me out of this, though, baby. Come on.
Target filled.
I'm just gonna... I don't want to be trading that, dude. But watch, now it's gonna go short where I wanted. I just can't... I don't want to be trading this right now. That was not a good entry, really. I would rather have been in here. Here's my single candle entry strat. Paired with the sweep of the high. So really, since it's 12:20, I gotta wait for another 30-second candle. And I think we can maybe get a short out of here. Interesting price action. But leaving the day with being up in my eval is, I mean, good for the considerations. So are we forming a little price action to give me an entry or what? There's probably going to be some news or something at 12:30 I don't know about. It's looking to keep pushing to the upside. But that means short. So I think it's time for me to take a break. That was the noon hour for me. I got one nice trade on that push up. So I don't really need that stat. Wow, look at this rollover, dude. Is it really gonna pop through there? There's no way. Gosh, I wish I could find a short in here, but we're just pushing up. Wow, yeah. So that's good. Well, that's not good. I knew something was going to happen at 12:30. What the hell's going on here? Do I need to be longing this right now? Do I need to be in a trade on my sim just for the 20 cons, just for the hell of it? I mean, come on. We've moved like 2,000 points today. Everyone knows that. Let's see. I'm going to go to the 15. Because I want this yummy candle. Actually, I want all these candles right here. And I'm going to waste all my money on them. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Get up there. Huh. 30-second we got. Yep, that is the 30-second candle. Technically, it's that big one, but... So there's the breakdown of that zone. Oh, excuse me, guys. I'm yawning. A little pushback up there. I would like it to get all the way up to my zone up here before I trade. But price has been weird. It probably won't make it. It either doesn't make it or pushes through. It keeps happening. That's what we're looking for. Dude, really? I'm over here looking at my phone. Hopefully this gives me a re-entry. You guys are probably doing the opposite of me, since I'm such a bad trader.
I switched from due dates to due dates, and it made me go from weeks behind to weeks ahead of my deadlines. You see, I used to just bed rot all day getting nothing
Order
done. And you know
filled.
that feeling of anxiety where ticking off items on your daily chores and to-do list is quite overwhelming? That was me. That was until I was told about this one secret. You see, it's called time blocking, and it changed my life. There are loads of articles and studies about how it's such an effective...
I accidentally took this in my master account. That's actually not a bad risk. I would take this twice. But price really is wanting to go to the upside and take me out. So, whatever. Okay. This is my master account. Once I get, if I hit 100, I should just break even this.
Stop filled.
That's fine. Watch it plummet. I was kind of nervous about doing that in my master account. But I've been waiting for this trade forever.
Order filled.
Just need to take it.
Order filled.
There we go. I'm fully filled on this trade again. Gosh, price should not be this volatile.
Stop filled.
There we go. We're still green. I'm glad I took that off my master account. I just shouldn't be, I should have swapped, actually, I don't know. We'll still probably end up shorting down. It's just a matter of when. Oh, actually, guys, we had this sweep in the first couple minutes, so I shouldn't even have been really trading the stat. It already completed it. See, it touched open. That was the truth. That was the noon trade right there. Well, $1 in the master account. Alrighty, well, that's going to be my trades for the day. I'm keeping it light today. You can do whatever you want, but maybe I'll open up for market close, but I'll probably wait until tomorrow's Asia session, tonight's Asia. So usually I end up getting a trade right before the stream ends. I should keep trying to short this.
Order
I'm gonna
filled.
spend the rest of my $73 here.
Stop filled.
Oh my god. I just did that on my master account. $39 down the drain. Okay. I'm going to take a break because I can't even click the right buttons for some reason. What in the world? Let me save this first. Wow. So silly. Okay. Bye-bye.